Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change app language on Threads. Maybe you are using the application in a language that you are not comfortable with or simply want to experience the app in a different language. So today I am going to show you how to change app language on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. In the top right corner, you will see this two lines icon. Simply tap on it to access the settings page. Within settings, you can now see this language option. Simply tap on it. After that, a window with a list of different languages will appear. In this window, scroll through the list and find the language that you want to use. For example, I want to use Filipino, so simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully changed the language on Threads application. The application will instantly be displayed in the language that you have selected. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change app language on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change app language on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.